Hello everyone, my name is Gina and I am here to officially welcome you to Seasoned Beauties. For those of you who've never been here before, thank you so much for choosing to spend some time with me on today and check it out, see what we got going on. To those of you who are returning, members of the family, friends, thank you so much for coming back. I appreciate you. Now, for those of you who are currently not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below and become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We'd be glad to have you. There's more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, while you're in that general vicinity, go ahead and ring the bell so that you'll be the first to know each and every time a new video is uploaded. Now, our video today is the unboxing of BoxyCharm. And this is for the month of February, okay? And I'm very excited to open this box. For some reason, it came a little late this month, but I'm not tripping. I just want to open it. And for those of you who are not familiar with BoxyCharm, option of 4 to 5 beauty items. Now they are curated based on a quiz that you take. So when you become a part of BoxyCharm, make sure you fill out that quiz, okay? Because that's the way that the correct colors, shades, those types of things are designed with you in mind, okay? Now, $21 a month gets you BoxyCharm, okay? And you'll love it. You will love it because you'll be getting full-size products. Now we're going to go ahead and jump into this box and see what is inside. Okay, so as we open, the first thing is, of course, our description card. It also lets us know what this month's theme is, which is Afterglow. Okay, so let's dig in and see what's in here. Well, we're going to go based on, okay, we'll go based on the card. Okay, so the first item on the card is the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. Okay, now for those of you who are not familiar with it, which I can't imagine because you hear it all over the place, if for no other reason than the name. Okay, this one is $24 and it says one of these mascaras is purchased every 7.4 seconds. That means it's pretty popular. I'm just saying. Okay, so that's item number one. And yes, it is a full-size product. Okay, now the packaging, of course, is gorgeous, as with most of the items that you purchase from Too Faced. Okay, the next item that we have is by the company Pretty Vulgar, and it is the Shimmering Swan Highlighter. Okay, the packaging on their products is always pretty nice as well. Okay, now we'll go ahead and we'll swatch this too. Okay, all right. It's pretty nice. Okay, there you go. And the manufacturer suggested retail price on this item is $32. All right, and it says allow your skin to capture the light of any room you walk into with this unique velvety smooth highlighter infused with glow-loving, light-reflecting, and pearlescent pigments. Okay, so this is the Pretty Vulgar highlighter. The next item that we have is by the company Touch and Soul, and this is the No Pore Blem No problem, okay? And this is a primer, okay? The manufacturer suggested retail price on this item, okay, is $18. And it says, create a seamless canvas for your foundation with your new Touch and Soul No Problem Primer. Okay, the light silky texture blurs pores and wrinkles, giving your skin a soft velvet feel. Green tea and collagen act as adhesives, holding on tight to your makeup for many hours of flawlessness. Okay, I just want to see what this actually feels like. It's very lightweight, that's for sure. And you know what? It almost feels like there's nothing here. I'm here for this. I will be trying this one tomorrow when I do my makeup on tomorrow. That's when I'll be trying that out. Okay, and the next item that we have is by the company Pharmacy. Okay, and this is the Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser. All right, and the manufacturer suggested retail price of this item is $22. Well, it's sealed, so we can't really find out if it has a smell. And I have so many cleansers that are currently open. But y'all know, anybody that watches my channel, you know that I have one that I am swearing by right now. As a matter of fact, I will put the iCard up above so that you can check that video out. All right, nonetheless, it says soothe and hydrate your skin while lifting dirt, excess oil, impurities, grime, and makeup. Your new Pharmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser was made for daily use, keeping those with sensitive skin in mind. Okay, so that's this one. And I'm kind of excited about this last item. And this is actually a lipstick and primer combo. Tracy. Okay, and that's this one right here. Manufacturer suggested retail price on this one is $25. Okay, and it says this 2-in-1 lip duo features a luxurious lip smoothing primer on one side and a shiny color glaze on the other. The priming side smooths lips and glides on like a balm, creating a super smooth canvas. The color glaze effortlessly glides onto your lips to leave behind a pop of soft, shiny color. So let's just, that's really cute. Okay, and it does, you know, oh, that's quite a bit of product in there. Okay, and let's just put a little bit of that on. Yeah, it's smooth to the touch. It's not, you know, tacky or anything like that. And that goes back on. The color, oh, this is beautiful. Okay, and this color, that's pretty cool, y'all. Okay, this is a magnetic closure. See? All right, and this color is English Rose. I do like this. Kind of matches my shirt today. Okay, so that is our BoxyCharm for the month of February. Okay, I will also leave you a total of all the products in this month's box. Okay, so that you will see what your $21 actually got you. Okay, I'm sure whatever it is, it will be a fantastic deal. as always, because one item alone was more than the $21 that we actually spend for the box. Okay, so I do hope that you enjoyed our video on today. This is the full contents of our box for the month of February. And as always, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.